If your drill bits keep breaking on long oil tubes, this is not a tooling problem. It is a vibration problem, and this machine fixes it at the source. This is the DNC-7003DT R1, a 4-axis CNC pipe drilling and tapping machine with a 6,800 mm x-axis travel. It is built specifically for oil stator tubes, 6,500 mm and longer. The key feature: 6 mid-span steady rests, distributed along the full bed length. They lock the tube rigid at every point, eliminating the vibration that breaks drill bits. The 4th-axis servo rotary chuck indexes to any angle automatically. 30 arcsecond accuracy. No manual ray clamping between holes. 2 independent spindles on one carriage, drill and tap in the same stop. No tool change. 1 unbroken CNC cycle for the full circumferential hole pattern. Result: near zero broken drill bits. 55% faster cycle time. 0.02 mm accuracy. API 11B compliant. CE certified. API laser calibrated. Link in description for full specs and case study.